Here I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly have access to Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on Do Not Disturb. So here we've got the information about Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is active, a moon icon will appear in the status bar, calls and messages will not ring or vibrate. Let's tap Enable. As you can see, the moon icon pops up, so it means that Do Not Disturb is activated. If you would like to turn off Do Not Disturb, let's use the same icon. And now if you would like to set up the Do Not Disturb, let's find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down and choose Do Not Disturb here. And here, for example, you can choose some automatic rules, so you can switch on Do Not Disturb every event, every time set, and add every other rule that you can customize. And you can also choose the mode of Do Not Disturb. For example, you can use the alarms only, you can use Don't Interrupt at all, or you can use Allow only the priority interruptions. Let me use the priority interruptions, and you can set up this priority interruptions, so you can here handle with alarms, with repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, and you can set up other stuff as well. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.